configuration, please notice these 4 items. First, the PC configuration should be equal to or higher than Win 7. It is not support Win XP. Second, before connecting PC with C3, the LED Vision software settings should be under I-Series mode, and the screen management should be under C-Series Playbox. Third, after setting this on software, it is very important to connect the C3 with PC before powering C3 on. 4. When connecting C3 with PC for the first time, the PC must connect to network. For that, the PC could install the C3 driver. C3 User Menu. The first part is Parameter Settings. The second part is Zen Content Editing and Publishing. The third part is Extendable Functions. Parameter Settings include 3 sections: Connection Settings, Basic Settings, and Advanced Settings. Let's look at the first section, Connection Settings. Double-click LED Vision. Click Control Menu and select Screen Control. Select C-Series Playbox and input the password 168 to enter the parameter setting interface. Use a standard USB cable to connect C3 to computer when C3 is powered on. One side to connect USB port, another side for C3 config port. Click Publish Program to C-Series Playboxes. Select Direct USB and right-click Refresh. Then C3 will appear. You can click C3 for parameter settings. The second section, Basic Settings. Here is the Playbox time. You can click the right button for time setting. Click Modify. You can set up date and time, or the time zone as well. Click Apply to finish setting. The running time indicates the total running time once C3 is powered on. As for the capacity and remain, you can view memory utilization here. Click Alarm Setting to set wake up and sleeping time, which work once checked. Here includes some operations on C3 Sandbox like power on, sleep, and restart once click. Use the drop-down menu to play programs. In the program management, you can check, delete, choose, program, and more. The third section, Advanced Setting. Click More and input password 168 to enter the Advanced Setting interface. The width and height you input must be equal to or slightly larger than the actual screen resolution. Here choose every other frame can help avoid lag when image loading area is too large. Then select Custom in Control Area and modify the values according to your network interface control area. Click Apply to complete setting. Part 2. Async content editing. Right-click LED 1 to add normal page. Then add file window by right-clicking normal page 1. Right-click file window 1 to add images and other contents. The second section is publish content through direct USB. Select the program page that you are going to publish. Click C3 and then right-click to choose Publish the current program to the selected clipbox. You must rename the content. Allow it to finish uploading to fully publish your program. The third section is Publish content through USB stick. To begin publishing through USB, first insert your USB stick to the PC USB port. Please note that USB stick should be empty before publishing for best performance. Remove previous update contents before using it to update or play new contents, so as to avoid any problems. It will auto-identify USB stick when set up USB stick parameters. Click Use this to choose your USB drive. Then select Program page in Program Editing area. Play program from USB stick. Auto-play USB stick contents after inserting to C3. The content won't be stored in C3. Upload program from USB stick. Auto-play USB stick contents after inserting to C3. The content will be stored in C3. Select Update Program by USB driver. Select the drive ladder under USB stick group. Then right-click to choose Publish the current program to the selected disk. You must rename the content. Allow it to finish uploading to fully publish your program. After publishing program successfully, insert USB stick into C3 USB port. The final part is extendable functions. First of all, you shall note that restart C3 after all the external devices finishing installation. Section 1. External audio module. Connect audio module to C3 under C3 power-off status, and connect sound equipment to audio module. Then power C3 on. Please note that do not unplug the audio module during C3 playing, otherwise it will cause C3 stuck. Section 2. External Wi-Fi module. Connect Wi-Fi module to C3 under C3 power-off status, and then power C3 on. Click More and then input password 168. Click Network, check Wi-Fi, and input your Wi-Fi login information for network name and password. Click Apply, and then refresh to complete settings. You can check connection status by clicking Details. Check Wi-Fi hotspot. Input your network name and password. Select 2.4G for CDMA mode. There are 14 channel traces, so as to avoid network overload. That is the end of C3 user manual.